Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you environment and sustainable development. Students, I hope you have already taught in previous class about this chapter. Okay. Now I am telling about what is environment. Environment is defined as total planetary inheritance or totality of all resources. What is the meaning of environment? Totality of all resources, or in other hand, total planetary inheritance. Okay, students? And what are the components of the environment? There are two types of components. One is biotic and other is abiotic. Biotic includes trees, fishes and living things. Simple living thing, and abiotic considered as non-living thing. Okay? And now I am telling about what are functions of the environment. There are major vital four functions of the environment. First is provides resources for production. Okay? Likewise, there are two types of resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable means they are converted and becoming exhausted, and likewise trees, fishes, and renewable likewise fossil fuel, coal, petroleum. These are non-renewable things. So this considered, it means first function is considered provides resources for production, and second, environment's assimilated waste. Environment assimilated waste, it means the process of production and consumption activity. Production and consumption activity and generated of the lot of wastage, and which is absorbed by the environment. It means production activities and consumption, these assimilated in the lots of generation of the lots of activities, and then that's why which is the absorbed by the environment. Okay, so this is the second function. And third, environment sustainable. Environment sustainable, it means some basic necessities of life like the sun, air, water. Okay, these are the basic necessities of life. Without this, we can't survive, we can't live. And these are the part of environment. So, environment sustain life by providing these essential elements. Environment providing these essential elements. These are animals: air, water, sun, land, soil. Without this, we can't survive. Okay, this is the third function. And fourth function. Fourth function, it provides aesthetic services. Likewise, environment includes land and forest, water bodies, and rainfall or atmosphere also. Okay, air, atmosphere also include in this aesthetic services में ये सारी चीजें include होती हैं. And the people enjoy the scenic beauty. हम सब क्या एंजॉय करते हैं? जो हमें बहुत चीज़ देखने में अच्छी लगती है, बहुत हमें एडमायरेबल लगती है, उसको देखकर हम प्रभावित होते हैं. बट ये सब क्या है? इन्वायरमेंट को मेंटेन करता है. यानी जितनी वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं या जो हिल स्टेशंस हैं, ये सब क्या है? ये सब हमारे सीनिक ब्यूटीज़ हैं, जिनको हम देखकर खुश होते हैं और इस तरीके से उसका बेनिफिट भी मिलता है. यानी हमारे इकोनॉमी में क्यों इंक्लूड है? बिकॉज that is very important for the tourism, and many foreigners are coming by India and for seeing scenic beauty. Okay, so it means such elements help in improve the reality life. It means यही सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमारी रियल लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए होती है, हमारी क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये हेल्पफुल है. समझ बच्चों? इट मीन्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू what is the meaning and what are the components and what do you know about these components and what are the functions? There are the 4 functions. Functions are help to produce your quality of life and development of India, right? And help to improve the economic condition of India. This is the main topics, and in next video I will tell you what are the crises of environment. Okay, crisis means many problems we have to face by some problems, some exhausted of the renewable and non-renewable things. That's why how to maintain, how to conserve and how to conserve. Okay, so some are greediness, nature by nature greediness. That's why they more and more exhausted and more and more consumpted. That's why they are depleting, resources are depleting, but we have to improve and what are the amount of the we have to conserve and we have to use that is the main question. What are resources are going to depleting and how much quantity we have to use and for which place that resources for the very useful and very necessary. Then they survive properly and without any problems we can survive if we have measure of that resources and use of that resources. It means हम इस्तेमाल करें जिनका इस्तेमाल मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेटली हो रहा है, हम डिस्क्रिमिनेटली नहीं करें तो हम उन चीज़ों को अच्छे से कर सकते हैं और जिससे हमारा देश भी डेवलप कर सकता है और मेंटेनेंस बना के रख सकता है। समझ रहे हो? यानी स्टॉक और जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो रिसोर्सेज का है वो प्रॉपरली हो सकता है। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू। आई विल टेल यू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।